After all of those years, in nature walk, Daffy, Bugs, the bunny, and, Cuphead decides to go on a nature walk. And Daffy says that these trees are in millions of years ago, like the dinosaurs say. Bugs say, wait, the dinosaurs are here? And then Daffy say that they went extinct, thinking Daffy was joking. But no, millions of years ago, before the nature walk, dinosaurs do really live here. Dinosaurs do really live here. And then after that, the asteroid killed the Earth, and then the Earth is now becoming a present day. Like, oh no. And the dinosaurs are all gone. According to the system, this is known for the last day of the dinosaurs and how they were known to make Daffy say that dinosaurs are here millions of years ago, before the nature walk is here. Anyway, bye. This is Super Bugs, the Bunny, and Daffy plush show. I'm just trying to tell you guys what happened before the nature walk that Super Bugs and Daffy plush show made. Anyway, bye, you guys. I love you guys.